Here's a quick look at the 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium. This is an extremely well-kept example that features a few really tasteful modifications, starting with the upgraded fog lights, the Morimoto headlights, as you can see there, sequential mirror lights as well. You do have factory installed TRD suspension on Wrangler DuraTrack tires. If you head over to DealerShift.ca, you'll find a full list of options on this truck, including a look at the Carfax and inspection reports with close-up photos of any body blemishes. Here's a quick look at the undercarriage. Those also have aftermarket side steps, a tri-folding backflip tonneau cover, into the tailgate now. There's the original skid plates, as those were also upgraded, and the original headlights. Recently traded in at our store. Previous owner went to another pickup truck, something a little larger, and did all the modifications under his ownership. Just a very well kept example. Any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Look at the leather interior. Those also have aftermarket interior lights, kind of hard to see, but those are really neat. A variety of colors. To the driver's seat now. Keyless entry with push to start. Toyota safety sense with blind spot monitors in the mirrors and lane keep assist. And inside now for a startup. Just 33,000 kilometers and change on the dash. Look at your backup cam and 360 cam. You do also have wireless phone charger, heated seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The list goes on and on. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. Again, this is the extremely well kept 2021 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road Premium.